My name's Brad Parker and I formed Charles Thomas Heritage Fire Protection Services on the basis that over the course of 23 years that I've been working in the fire protection industry, and for my love of old buildings, heritage buildings. We're currently in Chester Cathedral. There was a need to upgrade the wireless fire detection alarm system currently in the cathedral. Challenges particularly was predominantly radio, thick walls, lead-lined roofs, all a challenge. Just via the mesh technology, just wizardry really to what we're used to currently. This, how we see one expander can have 3, 4, 5 redundancy paths that it obviously connects itself to the strongest expander to create the mesh, but redundancy radio paths back is phenomenal. Doing wireless for a number of years now, we had an idea of how many expanders we would need and in what particular areas of the cathedral they were needed.
My name is Byronn Alty. I'm operations manager for Charles Thomas. How do I get on with it as an engineer? Fantastically. How have I found its usability? How have I found it programming itself once you've put everything out in the field? Phenomenal, to be honest with you.
We logged on a number of smoke detectors onto the translator, and then we went to what we would believe would be dead spots within the cathedral. And lo and behold, they started talking to the strongest radio signal expander within its area. So even though on a drawing, I thought it would communicate with expander 1, the device ends up talking to expander 2.
The Taktis is probably one of the most simplified but quality of softwares I've used. Programming, self-explanatory, you sort of fall from layer to layer, more or less ask you questions. Do you want to do this? Do you want to do that? So I find the platforms to go forward very easy, keeping in mind it's the first time I've ever touched it, but I found myself running through the menu.
The cathedral's got an outbuilding, Addleshaw Bell Tower, so there needed to be a link between cathedral and bell tower. There was an initial design challenge for us to think how we was going to get radio over there, but with K-Mesh it's just plug and play, and it was just great to see it.
Having only used it once, I find my confidence with installing, programming, commissioning quite high, which then tells you the technology is quite open and easy for us engineers to use and then equally sell on to our clients when we're talking about it.
Just out of the 23 years I've been doing fire detection alarm systems, many years doing wireless fire detection alarm systems, this is just, it's just something that's, I think, is just revolutionary.
The combination of the powerful and sophisticated Taktis panel along with the flexibility and scale offered by K-Mesh was a perfect choice to provide the site-wide protection to this Grade 1 listed building without impacting on its historically significant architecture. To find out more about K-Mesh or any of our other world-leading life safety products, please visit www.kentec.co.uk.